Okay, testing. So today I'm going to have a quick test on the on several of the microphones to be used on my Asus A555UQ laptop. Okay, so what you can see on your top left corner is the pedalboard 2. From pedalboard 2, okay, I'm not sure if I'm pointing to the right direction, but I'm just adding two very simple effects. One is the subtract and the gate, and I'm trying to because in the background my uncle is singing, and I'm not trying to cut them off. So right now, if I can, let me see, I bypass all the effect, then you will hear the true voice of the microphone, of the iPhone default microphone. That's what you can see. I'm not sure if you can see because because uh my view is blocked by the window. Okay, anyway, and right now I'm going to apply the effect. Okay, and this is the noise cancellation effect that I record. Okay. Uh okay, and from your top right corner you can see the dark green panel, which is the VoiceMeeter Banana. This is um a sound driver replacing the default Windows sound driver. Okay, so I'm going to turn off the mic and I switch to, excuse me, I have to speak very closely to the microphone. Okay, and this is the one that I'm going to test. It is very hard to speak. Okay, I'm trying to. Okay, yeah. And this is the Aspen mics that I'm going to test. Uh, so I'm going to speak without any effects. Okay, this is the hard part. Okay, and I'm going to use this adapter. You can see because I'm using the hold on. Yeah, this is the adapter. You can see the rings because oh, excuse me. This is a TRRS, which you can see 3 rings here. Okay, and this will be used with the Aspen mic. You can see the difficulty of using these kind of budget equipment, but it still works provided that you can hook it up nicely, right? And this is Aspen mic. I'm going to stick it in. Very hard to see. Fraction. I'm going to stick it inside the adapter, and replace my iPhone, okay, so that you can hear the voice. But the sad thing is I can't monitor this one because I don't have a microphone. I mean, I don't have a headphone at hand. That's why. Um, I can only use the same setting as the iPhone default mic. Okay, so just wait for a while. Let me turn off mic. Okay, so I'm speaking with the Aspen Mic, and I didn't apply any effects, except the one on the VoiceMeeter Banana because my voice is not low enough, so I bumped this up a little bit. And let me turn on the effect on the pedal board too. That's the one that you see on your top left corner. Let me turn off the bypass. And I think you can hear way better voice comparing to the one that I record. Okay, and I'm trying to hook it to the normal position, just like this one. Okay, I just clip it to my shirt and I'm trying to speak with my normal voice. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. I'm speaking with the Aspen mic that is hooked up directly to my Asus laptop A555UQ. Okay, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and I'm now going to switch back to iPhone default mic. Okay, hold on. Okay, so I'm turning on um the iPhone mic gain, and hopefully you can hear um sorry. I know it's a little bit long, but I'm just showing you how I test my equipment. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.